The Samsung Galaxy S25 Fan Edition might just be the most underrated release of 2025 until now. If you thought the Fan Edition series was losing its charm, think again, because what's coming with the S25 FE could completely change how we see Samsung's mid-flagships. From AI magic to chipset drama and even a bold new design shift, this phone is shaping up to be more than just a budget alternative. But there's one burning question everyone's asking. Should you wait for it or skip it? Stick around till the end because we've got exclusive leaks, intelligent upgrades, and potential deal breakers you definitely need to know before making any decision. Let's start with what's fueling all the buzz: AI. Samsung is going all in with Galaxy AI, and many of the advanced features seen in the S25 Ultra are expected to make their way into the S25 FE. We're talking real-time call transcription, cross-app automation, drawing assist, and even circle to search, powered by Google's Gemini Live AI. That means you could search the web, summarize emails, or edit images just by speaking or circling on your screen. Imagine sending event info from the web straight into your calendar without opening another app. Yeah, it's that seamless. These aren't gimmicks. They're everyday tools that could actually make your phone feel like a personal assistant. But let's talk design, because the S25 FE is reportedly getting a big visual upgrade. According to reliable sources, Samsung is redesigning the internal layout by slimming down the battery but widening it slightly. This allows them to make the phone thinner and sleeker without compromising on power. And yes, the fan favorite 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate is staying put. Expect deep blacks, rich colors, and buttery smooth scrolling, just like the S24 FE, but with a more refined premium hand feel. Now, here's where things get spicy: the processor. This is where leaks clash and theories fly. While Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 or even 7 Plus Gen 3 are being tossed around, all signs point to Samsung sticking with its own chip, the Exynos 2500, built on advanced 3nm process. This chip could be Samsung's comeback moment. Mass production has reportedly started and early benchmarks look promising. The real question is optimization. Can Samsung finally make Exynos run cool, fast, and efficient? If yes, it could truly rival the Snapdragon-powered competition. If not, well, it might fuel more frustration. We've also heard about improved night video performance and enhanced audio features. Night mode video is expected to use AI to eliminate noise and boost detail, even in dim settings. There's also audio eraser, which can isolate voices and cut out wind or background chatter. Perfect for vloggers or anyone recording on the go. And for creatives, writing assist and drawing assist might be built into the system, letting you sketch or type with AI help right out of the box. One more thing: One UI 7. Samsung's newest software skin isn't just a cosmetic change. It's expected to be smarter, cleaner, and more secure, thanks to Galaxy AI. With features like personalized now bar summaries, daily routines, and instant lock screen shortcuts, you won't just be navigating. Your phone might feel like it knows what you want before you even tap. And yes, let's talk price. If the regular S25 Ultra feels out of reach, the S25 FE might hit that sweet spot. Historically, Fan Edition models bring flagship features at a lower cost. Combine that with a new chip, polished design, and AI-powered features, and we might be looking at the best value phone Samsung drops this year. So, should you wait for the Galaxy S25 FE? If you're holding onto your upgrade or thinking about getting the S24 FE, it might be worth waiting a little longer. The S25 FE could be more than just a refresh. It could be the new definition of what a Fan Edition phone should be. Whether you're an AI power user, a mobile gamer, or just want a smarter, smoother experience, this might be the one. Of course, all of this is based on leaks. Things could still change. But one thing's clear: Samsung is not playing it safe anymore. They're rebuilding the Fan Edition brand with serious intent. So, what do you think? Will the S25 FE finally make Exynos cool again? Is Samsung about to shock everyone with the perfect combo of specs, design, and price? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful or just love following the latest in mobile tech, make sure to like and subscribe. There's more coming, and you won't want to miss it.